Ever see those shows on TV where they find huge amounts of gold like it's no big deal, and it makes you wonder, is there really gold in creeks? The answer is yes, and Nautical Outdoors is here to show you how to find your own gold nuggets. We take you through the whole process from how to stand ankle deep in the cool, rushing water, to feeling the grit and gravel beneath your boots, and uncovering the glint of real gold. Today, we're going to demystify that process for you, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll need the right tools: a gold pan, a shovel or scoop, a classifier or mesh screen, a pair of tweezers, and a small vial or container. And of course, a keen eye and a good deal of patience. Most of these kits can be purchased on Amazon or eBay for pretty cheap. So how do you begin this gleaming adventure? You start by finding a promising spot. You still have to do your own research on finding areas where known gold veins and/or known gold deposits have been documented and that they're within driving distance. Once you find that, then you're all set. Look for places where the water slows down, like the inside bends of the creek, behind large rocks, or where the creek widens. These are the places where gold, being heavier than water, tends to settle. Once you've found your spot, it's time to fill your gold pan. Use your shovel or scoop to dig into the creek bed, collecting gravel, sand, and hopefully gold. But here's a tip: don't just focus on the bottom. Gold can also be found within the top layers of soil and gravel. Next comes the classifier. This tool helps you sort through the material you've collected, eliminating larger rocks and debris, and leaving you with the smaller particles where gold might be hiding. Pour your material into the classifier, give it a shake, and let it do its job. Now, with the classified material in your gold pan, you're ready for the next step: panning. Submerge your pan in the water and give it a gentle shake. This process helps the gold, if there's any, to sink to the bottom of the pan, thanks to its weight. After shaking, you'll start to swirl the water in your pan in a circular motion. This action helps to wash away the lighter material, leaving the heavier gold behind. Be careful not to tip your pan too much, or you might lose your precious findings. Once you've washed away most of the lighter material, it's time to carefully inspect what's left. This is where your tweezers come in handy. If you see something that looks like gold, pick it up with your tweezers and place it in your vial or container. And there you have it. That's how you pan for gold in creeks. Remember, this is a process that requires patience and practice. But with time, you might just strike it rich, or at least have a great story to tell. So, to summarize, find a good spot, collect your material, classify it, pan and swirl, and then inspect. With the right tools and a little patience, you too can experience the thrill of finding gold in the wild. Happy panning, adventurers!